Because what if you were just 6 months away from the life that you actually want to wake up to? Like no more clocking in for somebody else's dream. No more pretending that you're okay with a life that's just good enough or just wanting to get by. What if you actually reset everything in your life without burning it all down? It all starts with forcing change in your life. And today, we're going to talk about how to change the way that you make money. But this can be for anyone looking to make massive change in their life. And this is the moment where you go from the you 1.0 to you 2.0. And let me explain what I mean by that. You 1.0 is you being born into this world with your parents in the city that you lived in, with the teachers that you had, with the family that you had. You 1.00 unconsciously took on other people's programmings and other people's constructs and other people's ideas of what they were supposed to do in this life. You 2.0 goes, no, from this moment forward, I'm changing everything that I don't want in my life, and I'm going to build the life that I want from the ground up. And so, this is the moment where you 2.0 begins. Get crystal clear on what you want to be built. And so step number 1 for changing all of this is to get very, very clear on exactly what it is that you want in this life. Most people have absolutely no idea what they want. Like, I have asked thousands and thousands of people, what do you want? And the vague, unclear answers that come back to me show me that people never really write down what it is that they want and get extremely, extremely clear. The more clarity that you can have on exactly what it is that you want in this life, the more likely you are to get it. The more vague that you are and less clear, the less likely you are to end up getting the life that you want. And so you want to basically figure out what it is in detail, exactly what it is that you want. And you want to visualize it every single day. And you want to visualize and obsess. Basically brainwash yourself into believing that it's possible. This new life needs to become your obsession. For the next 6 months, you are obsessed with thinking about and creating this new life that you're trying to get to. Clarity is a superpower in building your life because most people are just busy being busy. They're just doing tasks, trying to survive the day. But rarely do people stop and ask themselves, what am I actually doing? Like, where am I actually going with my life? It's not that you're lazy. It's more than likely you're just unclear where you're going. And who's really going to be motivated to go into an unclear direction? And so, when the brain doesn't know where it's going, what it's going to do is it's going to fall back into old patterns. And that is what self-sabotage looks like. People like, I keep starting and I keep falling off. I keep starting and I keep falling off, that's what's going on. And so that's not what you want.